Well, that's it. It's finalized. Done, ready. I'm not taking this washer off and on every time it freezes at night or snows. I'm just going to do a fresh rinse trick. Take out that plug, pop out the check valve, and if it swells it should push it out there and not damage anything. That's where my 18-inch surface cleaner is going to go. The only thing I'm going to eventually upgrading on this truck for this year anyway is I'm going to get the 5.5 belt driven or gear driven washer, and that'll be used, that one as a spare. But there we go, she's done. Do no more to it, she's ready to go. All my switches, this one runs the soft wash pump, this one runs that pump for the 12 volt, that's a spare. That runs my downstream box, click that, runs the light. Obviously got my toolboxes, my valves. Oh, there we go. Good job I'm checking everything, look at that. Busted, that's for my downstream. Good job I got some spares, isn't it? There we go. Oh well, I'll be putting a new one of them on. This has all been run through with antifreeze, so it shouldn't be hurting. Obviously my ladder, high pressure hose reel. I don't use the hose reels, they're just for storage. I was going to put this at the end of my gun, but way too heavy, would end up busting your arm washing all day with it. So I just can flick it off and on from there so I don't have to turn the washer. So pull it out, whatever length, click click, soft wash, water hose pulls out, clicks on here, Hudson float valve. Should be ready to rock and roll. Obviously I've got bypass, it goes up top of the tank there, so it just keeps circulating, won't break the pump, overheat the pump I should say. But yeah, I think she's ready to start making some lolly. If anybody sees anything that would change, give me some extra ideas. Obviously my shelves, I never got round to getting them painted this year. They've been on there for 2 years, so they're doing all right for an old homemade wooden skid. But that's about it. I can't think of anything else that I need to add on to it right now. I have my blower, some pump ups, there's a broom back in there, the lance, got some extra hose down there, some extra hose way down the front there. Obviously this is what I use as soap. Some Tide, dollar store, $4. No such thing as the dollar store anymore, it's the $5 store. Yeah. If anybody sees anything, I can't see this last and I need a better piece. I'm going to replace this with a bit more solid, but it'll do. Obviously my downstream injector right there. My blind that goes to the washer. Any suggestions on changing anything? Or you'd have done it a bit different? Please let me know. Hopefully next week I'm back to work. It's supposed to be 10s and 11s and 8s and stuff like that. But anyways, good night, God bless.